guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today we are going to make the easiest and the best crock-pot chicken tortilla soup. It is so easy. All you do is dump the ingredients in, and 4 hours later you have yourself a delicious tortilla soup. So we're going to start by putting a little bit of olive oil right into the bottom of our crock-pot and getting it heated on high. We're then going to take some garlic cloves and dump it right in. You know I love garlic, so I got quite a few, but you do what you want with that. After that, we're going to just start dumping in the rest of our ingredients. We have 1 yellow onion that I chopped up nice and small there. We're going to dump that in. And then we have a jalapeno that I sliced up. I took the seeds out, and I'm just going to dump it right in. Now, again, with the jalapenos, if you guys don't like as much heat, then maybe you want to use a green bell pepper. But I use about 4 or 5 jalapenos. I just slice nice and thin and throw it in my soup. We have just a few more ingredients. We have about a cup of some black beans that we're gonna dump in. And then we have 1 container of a fire roasted diced tomato. Now there's lots of different brands that you can use, but you do wanna look for something that says like fire roasted, because then that's usually spiced and has some great flavors to it to add to this soup. So for our spices, we have about a teaspoon each of cumin and a chili powder and an onion powder. And then we have about a 1/4 of a cup of cilantro that we're gonna dump right in. Last 2 ingredients, we need our chicken and our chicken broth. So you have a couple options with your chicken. I bought one of those rotisserie chickens from the food store. Wegmans does a really great organic chicken, and I just kind of shredded it up. So you could always do that, or what you could also do is take about 1 pound of chicken breast and put it right into the bottom of the crock pot. You could brown it if you want, or you could put it in raw and then just make sure that you cook it on high for about 4 to 5 hours. After that, you're gonna just take 1 quart of a chicken broth and dump it in your crock pot. At this point, if you wanna give it a stir, you can, you don't have to, but you're gonna just give it kind of like a nice stir, and then you're gonna cover it up, and you're doing 4 to 5 hours on high, or about 7 or so on low. If you are using raw chicken though, you're gonna wanna make sure that it cooks long enough so that your chicken is completely cooked and shredding apart. So your soup is done when your vegetables are nice and soft. You can't really go overboard with cooking it, but you are gonna wanna stick to that 4 hours on high or about the 7 on low. And then you're gonna add some really awesome things to the soup before you serve it. You could even slice up a little bit of avocado. You're gonna add some shredded cheese, a little bit of sour cream, and of course, tortilla strips. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.